Hello, welcome back.
Hello.
We'll have an exciting video today.
Got a lot.
We're opening cards.
We have so many.
We've been doing this for like 2 months?
Yeah.
About 2 months just trying to get cards.
So, there's a lot, but it took a while to get them all.
Does it feel like it's a lot? It's a total of 16? No, 17 I think. I feel like it's gonna go by super fast though.
Yeah, that's one thing that sucks.
But we have, it's mostly the new pack, Chaos Rising. I still haven't opened this yet, so I'm excited for that. We have 2 Perfect Order, and then we have 2 of the Twilight, which I really like still. Like it's underrated pack. And then the last 2 we're opening is the Ascended. So excited for this one.
Okay, which ones are we gonna do first? This...
We could do 1 Chaos
Okay.
first. You go open it first.
And choose whichever one?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, choose this one. Because this design on it. Are we gonna open them at the same time?
Oh, another one.
Okay.
To make it last longer.
Okay.
I'll get another one ready though. I'll do a Perfect Order. I haven't opened cards in forever. It was very hard getting the cards and then not opening them. Smells
This
so good.
smells so strong. Okay. Oh. Did I do it upside down? I did do it.
Here we do it right here.
Like this?
A little bit closer? Yeah, like that. Okay.
Oh, that's cute.
There you go. My first time seeing these ones.
They're kind of cute. Oh, that's cute. What is that, an iceberg?
Looks like one.
Interesting. This one's cute.
It looks like a little tadpole.
I think so.
Looks like a tadpole.
That's cute. Yeah, that's it.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that's cute. This one.
I'm gonna do a Perfect Order one. The only reason why I have a good amount of these ones is because apparently nobody likes these packs. That's why I left at the store.
This is a double?
No, I saw that.
Yes.
Okay. Here you go.
I'm trying to make it so it's easier to...
First time doing this. That's it.
Maybe we should try it a different way. Maybe one of us holds it like wire
We could do that.
so it's easier.
Yeah.
So that way we can also see.
Okay. I think the next one. We'll save these 4 for last.
Okay. Can I do a Perfect Order one?
Mm-hmm.
Where do you want the cards? In the same pile or different pile?
I'm gonna say pile. Same side. I'm gonna open this guy already.
Okay. I'm gonna do this one. That's a lot.
Got this one on the Pokemon Center drop one. Also got ETB, but I'm gonna hold on to that one for a little bit. Even though I kind of want to open it. Let's see.
This one's for you.
Thank you.
Ooh, don't get my stomach.
I'm sorry. You put it in. My bad.
Okay, there.
Alright, there you go.
Oh.
You put it right here.
Yeah,
There you go.
Sorry.
Mm-hmm.
Oh. Bread.
It looks like a flan.
Right. Oh, this one's cute. I like this one.
You put it in the pile you bought.
Oh, okay. And so I want one. This is it.
Is it?
This one's cute.
Okay. I'll open this one's already out from the booster bundle.
It goes so fast. Oh, that's cute.
Honestly. I want to at least, with all these that are right here, and then this one too. Yeah, this one too. We need at least 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12. We need at least 2 full arts.
I hope so.
At least 2.
At least 2, yeah.
Okay, you're up.
Let me organize my cards. My cute card. I kind of want to open one of these.
This one's safe for later.
Oh, what are mixed together?
Well, that's why they're up here by themselves.
Okay, so one of these.
You could do one of those ones.
Okay, I'll do this one.
Okay. These are for last. And these are for last. Really want the growler. I believe it's inside this.
The dog one. That's not a dog.
I believe it's a tiger.
Okay. For you. That's cute. Thank you. Frog.
Felipe?
This one's cute. Meow stick?
Oh, it's supposed to be cat?
Maybe? Let me put that in my pile.
Fudu.
This one's cute too. This one's fun.
Oh, got a trainer. There you go.
Ooh. Cutesy.
Nice. That one go right here. Alright. I got at least one. One good one, I would say. I'll do one of these ones. Maybe we can save all the hits for these 4.
Hopefully, full cards in all of them.
Okay.
Oh, that one's cute. Yeah.
Let's put it right there.
Oh, okay. Oh, what you get? Oh, we got 4 of them.
Oh. Ooh,
Aww.
oh, good.
That one's cute.
Yeah. Watch hug. Nice. Back to back.
Wow. That's so good. Let me order.
So far. Oh, that's good.
Yeah, that is really good.
I'm happy with that so far.
I kind of want to do this one.
Okay. I'm probably gonna do this one next.
Okay.
Should look at the card list to see which ones you want.
That's okay. For you. Okay. Pat rat. That one's cute. Can you see it?
I guess we'll find out later.
Is it kind of blurry?
Does it look? Let me see. It's not bad. It's fine. Okay.
Yeah. That one's cute. It's Halloween. I need that one. What's a red cup? Ooh.
They're the same.
I know.
Same. That one's just reverse. Oh. It's EX.
Oh, that one's kind of cool though.
It's not, that one could go up here.
Okay, this one's pretty cool. I like it.
That one's not. I mean, some say EXs are hits.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I thought that.
They're kind of. Some of them are nice. I kind of like them. Oh, why did we think of that? You're so funny.
Okay.
Got a lot of those. Bubbly?
Bubbly energy.
That's cute. I like that. I'll do the left.
They're almost all gone.
Oh my gosh.
I told you, it feels like it goes by super fast. Whenever you do it.
2 months worth and it's gone in like...
Right now it's 13 minutes. Imagine if we both did it at the same time.
Oh yeah, that would have been way faster. For you. Oh, okay.
Omega.
That one's funny.
Your dick.
Shit. Who? Wait. I was gonna say hoo-ha. Ho-oh?
Yeah.
Oh.
Hoo-ha? I'm gonna do this one. The last one in the booster bundle. An elephant.
That's cute.
Felipe.
Meow stick. With pod.
We're getting a lot of these.
Yeah, got a bunch of those. Between these two?
Mm-hmm. I think you want that one.
I do want this one. Because you want that one?
Yeah. Is your key pile?
These, but I have to like mix. I have to show them.
Oh, okay.
I have to see the other one. Is not. Not that kind of video.
It's not that kind of camera.
Aquí.
Gracias.
Aww. That's kind of cute. Ooh. Alright. That's it.
It's because the hit's inside this one.
Okay.
Ooh, it feels heavy. Windows.
Aww. I need that one. That one's mine.
It's a pumpkin. See, I told you.
Hey, at least got this card. So cute.
Okay. 1 and 1?
Yeah. You can choose yours.
No, you choose it.
I always like the left.
Okay. These are the more important ones. The more important ones.
Which one should I open first? This is the one that comes with.
I believe Sunflora is in this one.
Okay.
And then the Growlithe that I want is in this one.
Okay.
I believe so.
I'll save this. I'll open this one for last one.
Okay. I'm probably gonna do the opposite. Out of these 4, at least one full art, I would say. At least one.
Hopefully. Gotta
You
see.
can see smelling it right here.
Ow!
Right here.
They smell good.
I will say too, the Ascended, I was not gonna buy, but the guy at the end was like, "Oh, we have these two," so he gave me 2.
Oh.
He's like, "Do you want to buy these 2?" And I said, "Sure."
Hopefully they're good. Do you know which ones come in this one or no?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Cute.
Slow.
Aww. That's cute.
The EX card?
It is gonna be an EX card. That one's cute. It's adorable.
It's better than nothing.
That's true. You want me to put it over there?
Yeah, you can put it in your pile. You got it.
Oh,
I'm gonna do this one first.
they can see me.
They're like cold.
That's cute. Oh, that's pretty.
Growth. No. Oh, I like that one. I like the real animation looking ones.
Oh, those are cool.
I like that one. I'm going in a good pile. Okay.
Coming down to the last two.
Last two. Either Growlithe or some Flora. Okay, we're back. The camera overheated, so I had to let it cool down. Last pack for you.
Yeah. Or I can open that one too.
No.
These smell different.
It's because they're older.
Oh.
I think they said they're gonna stop reprinting these next year.
Really?
Yeah, so I kind of want to get a box and hold on to it.
Oh, we should.
Then I want to open it.
Poochiana?
Yep.
Oh, I'm breaking my arm. Let me see.
You can do it normal. I got it.
Okay. That's funny. This one's cute. I like this one. Interesting. Love ball.
Okay, Growlithe. No. The last one, you want more? We got to go get more of those. Oh.
Darn it.
Maybe one good card inside here, and then I'll make up for everything else.
Oh, that's cute.
Togepi. That's the end of the video.
That's all we got.
What was it? 17 packs? 17 packs, and this is all you get. It's better than nothing, though.
That's true. I was expecting more, but
I think I like this one better.
yeah, that one's kind of cool. I like
The
that.
trainer.
That's cute.
17 packs. We got at least. Didn't I say at least 3?
I think you said at least 2. You got 2.
Oh, well, there you go. Thanks for watching.
Boy.
If you want us to do it again, let me know.
In the
So I can go get more cards. Boy.